Compound sentences join two complete sentences together. Each part has its own subject and verb and can stand alone. They create smooth flow between related ideas using special connectors. Compound sentences have two main patterns. First, use a comma plus one of the 7 coordinating conjunctions between two independent clauses. Second, use a semicolon alone to connect two closely related independent clauses. Fanboys are the 7 coordinating conjunctions: for, and, nor, but, or, yet, and so. Always use a comma before fanboys when joining two complete sentences. These words show different relationships between ideas. She likes tea, but he prefers coffee. This shows contrast between two complete thoughts. I wanted to go for a walk, so I took my dog to the park. This shows cause and result. The show was interesting, yet it was too long. This shows unexpected contrast. Independent clauses can stand alone as complete sentences. She likes tea is complete by itself. He prefers coffee is also complete by itself. Compound sentences always join two such complete thoughts together. I wanted to go for a walk, so I took my dog to the park. The first clause explains the desire. The second clause shows the action taken, so connects cause with result, creating one smooth compound sentence. We work during the day and we study at night, and adds information. He plays soccer, but she prefers swimming, but shows contrast between preferences. Different conjunctions create different relationships between equal ideas. Semicolons connect two closely related independent clauses without conjunctions. I have a pet iguana, his name is Fluffy. She studied hard, she passed the exam. Semicolons create strong connections between related complete thoughts. Compound sentences combine two independent clauses using comma plus fanboys or semicolon. Practice joining complete sentences together. This creates smooth, powerful English sentences that flow naturally.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.